Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up lease agreements using LegalZoom, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the LegalZoom website. Create an account if you don't already have one. Once logged in, navigate to the real estate section. Select lease agreements from the list of options. Choose whether you need a commercial or residential lease agreement. Click on the appropriate option based on your needs. Fill out the necessary information about the property. Provide details about the landlord and tenant involved in the lease. Specify the duration of the lease term. Select the payment terms and any security deposit requirements. Review any additional provisions you want to include. LegalZoom may offer recommendations for standard clauses. Ensure all fields are filled out correctly. Review your lease agreement for accuracy before proceeding. Once satisfied, proceed to the payment page. Complete the payment process to finalize your order. After payment, you will receive a confirmation email. Check your email for a link to access your lease agreement. Download the lease agreement in your preferred format. Review the document one last time before use. Sign the lease agreement with all parties involved. Keep a copy of the signed lease for your records. Now you're ready to use your lease agreement confidently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.